Ahora, ingala. Okay, okay, okay. Ya. Udah, baik. Ya, betul. Udah? Betul. Soal mana? Oke, oke. Hah? Sudah. What about this thing? What about this? Mana? Ini what about this? What about that? What about that? Hmm? కౌశిక్ తో పైకి వెళ్తాడు దాదా దాదా కావాలి ఒక ఆంటీ వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారా 2 minutes ఇప్పుడు కాదు నేను నాకు పని ఉంది ఇప్పుడు మమ్మీ వెయిట్ చేస్తా ఉంటాం మన కోసం రా వచ్చే రా వచ్చే కౌశిక్ వచ్చేస్తాడు ఈ లోపల కాలు కడుక్కో కౌశిక్ వచ్చేస్తాడు ఈ లోపల కాలు కడుక్కో బయటికి అవుతుంది నాకు బండి తాగింది నేను బండి తాళాలు లేవు నా దగ్గర సరే ఇక్కడ బాయ్ వెళ్ళిపోతాను బాయ్ బర్రా రా 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 కౌశిక్ వస్తాడు ఇప్పుడు కౌశిక్ తాడుకో బండిలు తాళాలు లేదు నా దగ్గర కీస్ లేవు రా నువ్వు బండి కీస్ లేవు నా దగ్గర రా కీస్ పైన ఉన్నాయి తెచ్చుకుందారా ప్రౌదు దెబ్బ చూపించు మమ్మీకి ఫస్ట్ దెబ్బ చూపించు మమ్మీ ఊరుకోండి ఇప్పుడు దెబ్బ తగిలింది కదా దెబ్బకి ఏదో పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా నువ్వు మీ నాన్న దగ్గర పౌడర్ రాసుకో ఫస్ట్ పౌడర్ పెట్టుకో చెప్పులు ఇంటి అలాగే వేసుకున్నావు ఇందాక ఇంత అలాగే ఉన్నావా చెప్పులు మార్చుకో తెలీదా నీకు అలాగే వేసుకోవాలా అది కాళ్ళు కడుక్కొని కాళ్ళు చేతులు కడుక్కొని నాన్న దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఆ మూతి కడిగించుకొని అక్కడ పౌడర్ పెట్టించుకోండి కడిగించుకో తగిలింది కాళ్ళు చేతులు కడుక్కుని ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసే ఉంటాయి
Hi team, good evening. We kindly request to everyone mute yourself. There is a background voice we are getting. Please kindly mute it. Guys, like thanks for your active participation. We'll start the presentation from 6:20 onwards.
Very good evening on all present here. So the same like this, we almost like we are measured out some of that Tuesday session. So today I'm just going to be take over that. The topic is like building and evaluation of data agents. So before that, I just want to make a support from your side. So today I already told that yesterday itself. So here Dasara festival going on there. So any only for myself only is going to be take care, and it may be some of the people are is going to be busy with that work. It's very difficult to handle this session as well as your people also. I can understand all the people are. So this time we can enjoy that leave. So in before we don't have that much of time. I want to make a clarity of that. Shall I proceed further? If you are, please be give thumbs up or something about that. I'm going to be start that. Thank you. So my slide is visible or not? Can you please give any one of the insights from your side?
Yes, sir. Your slide is visible.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am. So thank you for the support of today, the technical support like Ms. Janavi Badina, ma'am. So we are hope this much of hurry situation also, ma'am is going to be try to help you. I'm just going to be happy for that. So before that, I'm just given that. So today topic we are going to be discuss about that building and evaluation of the data agents. So why I'm just concentrating on this data agent, the same the future become like completely data. So from those data only we have to make a model, and after that day-to-day life usage based, we can go for that further enhancements like application enhancement or further thing. So here, so unlock intelligent data agent to transform AI workflows with the practical skills and evaluation techniques. So myself, Dr. Sivabalan, so PhD as well as postdoctoral fellow in ATAL FDP coordinator for these things. So we can move for next thing. Yes. Here the main thing is the first, the basic fundamental. So what are the data agents and how you are going to be meet with the agent and interact with the users? Not only one is like multiple users. How to become make like a master? How is going to be make like a intelligence? So this is the thing we are going to be discuss about this. So first, I need to make that clarity about that. Autonomous AI entities designed to interact with data, perform tasks, and make decisions with complex systems. The main thing is considered for complex systems. Example, I'm going to be take one of the real-time example of that complex system in application base. If you just go and like at the time of any one of the result announcement or something announcement, if I'm going to be take like CBSE or school result announcement, all the people are is ready to keep posting for their eagerly waiting for see the results. So at that time is going to be making complex. It's like a user complex. So user complex is much more increased as well as we can use it for that. So at that time, so next the act. Sorry. Yes. So the act as an intelligent intermediate processing inputs, accessing external resource and delivering actionable outputs. And initially, I want to make a clarity about that. The initial of that Facebook application, lot of application will be there. So before that, Facebook is the Orkut, one of the social network is already there. Based upon that insight base, the upcoming social network much more established. So after that, Facebook is going to be lot of trees based like Instagram, Messenger, like Snapchat. So plenty things will be came. So these are like a real-time growth, like based upon usage based of that our day-to-day life users in your mobile system. So this is the thing. So next, unlike a traditional software, learn, adapt and collaborate dynamically to achieve a specific goals. Sir, what kind of goals, sir? If I'm going to be make only for 50 people, yes, my software become like work efficient. At the time, 500 people, yes. So how much of the complexity is going to be managed by that particular system? So whether my data will be going to be rectify my rack, you know that all the people are considered for the backend become is like a rack. So that e-rack, how we are going to be used, whether my original data is going to be retrieved or not. So this is the thing. So next, and the meet data agents thinks and act autonomous without interference of other persons. So the main thing previously that all the people are saying that the one of the main thing is like federated learning. So the federated learning is like each individual device based upon usage, they will going to be learned by itself. After that, enhanced by your usage and insight, they will get good, complex as well as intelligent, making smart for that corresponding device is like a local. After that, the main thing is going to server. So this is the thing. Every software and everything is going to be, even the marketing people like Amazon, e-commerce, everything is going to be using this kind of things. So this is the purpose, the data agent in efficient manner. So why the data agent is like a matter? So enable scalable AI solution to handle diverse data streams and workflows efficiently. And here everything become like scalable, right? Why I'm just asking means it's like suppose you are the people are authorized person. Some of the people are like unauthorized person. I want to make a classify. I want to make a classy and as well as scale the parameter. Who are all the people this? Who are all the people that? Then only I have to give my effective. If people are all the people is considered for using only for one system, like what I am saying, if you platform based, I'm going to be used for that. Example is your application, Android application. So all the people are using Android means you won't get another OS. Like even that mobile, if you are taking that mobile also, in Windows mobile will be there. So Android will be there. So day-to-day life, they will going to be keep update. Day-to-day life, they will keep going to be update. So depends upon your workflow and is the data streams between that one-to-one users and community peoples. And next, so automated repetitive tasks enhancing productivity and freeing human resource. Here, I want to mention that repetitive task, it's like a looping mechanism. One application is going to be open means whether it is going to be enhanced, what other things are there based upon routine work only is going to be make a loop. So there is no external loop, it cannot be there. If you just make a training means, so daily you just going to be considered for develop mode means the real insight will be get as well as mass support. So not only that one, it's like another thing also is going to be updated. Is going to be take a vision. The system is going to be given vision. Sir, you are going to be think like this. So what a thing. But user, we have only one option. We just going for give the prompt only one option. But at the time of prompt response is going to be multiple way. At the time you just get much more intelligence. And vast idea will be open. Depends upon the we can apply in real time. It will be used for that. So this is the thing, the real-time problem solving as well as improve the decision making through adaptive intelligence. And main thing of this data agent is going to be like adaptive intelligence. So this adaptive intelligence may be like situation based, it may be like application based, it may be depends upon our usage. Yes. So next thing. So why data agents drive smarter AI workflows? So unlocking efficiency, scalability, and adaptability in real-world AI application. The first thing, enable autonomous task management to boost the AI efficiency. Sir, why sir we always focusing on like autonomous? First, if you comes under for, you just adaptive, you just going for depend on one source mean you cannot come out. Like the source, it cannot be enabled. So you are think like a completely autonomous, then only the vast area is going to be open. Like not only one. So one problem solution is going to be matching for another substitute of problem is like another industry problem. So maximum thing is going to be used for like this. So autonomous in the sense I want to make a task without my permission or like only for enable like login account base is going to be boosting AI for by day-to-day life. The first thing I want a real-time example, I'm just going to be pick. It's like a smart monitor, something is there, or like smart TV will be there. So if I'm clicking switch on, only I'm doing switch on. I have to make a program made. First program I need go for news, like this the channel. Right? So I have to make a pre-program. Next, I'm going to for this channel. It's like a channel I want to see only for this. If I'm going to be used the only for one particular account. If the family members, other family members will be there. So in what is that case? So that case like anyway students will be there is going for another channel. Depends upon the your user. So these are the account based user is going to be thinking and learning by itself. The learning of the mechanism first account based learning. Like this is I'm saying data agent. Next is going to be device based. So personalized device based. So this is the thing is going on there. Next. So distribute the workload among specialized agent for resilience and scalability. Here I want to make a thing. Suppose I want to clear that real-time example of that company. I want to distribute the amount particular like depends upon salary base. I'm going to be working one of the real-time scenario cases. I'm going to be working here. So evening, sorry, at the time of 1 to 5, the salary will be is going to be distributed one particular account to multiple. This is the fact. So it's like the specialized agent, I'm going to pick that payment app, that like a payment API. At that time is going to be peak. So not only one, even the depends upon the what I'm saying, like a country based, I'm going to be used for that. All the people are doing like some people are first day, some people are 31st, some people are second, some people are it may be train getting late. So this is the scenario cases. I'm asking the specialized agents like a payment app. So the payment app I'm going to be divided in multiple means like a public. First, your EB bill. So next is going for like a private, your rent and other things. So this is like I want to make a resilience and scale. So what are the things and where you are going to be used for that? And integrate seamlessly across API, database and external service. And each thing your daily day-to-day life, like I'm going to be take only for one app real-time example, like which you are going to be use Google, GPay. Even 15 rupees, I want to take a tea or something like that. You are going to be used. The entire scenario cases, this guy where is going to be used and what the purpose. Complete distribution. And after that, automatically, definitely, if you are just making one tea shop, when another tea shop, the same thing you are going to be appear mean, the automatically name will become. Like, so this is like machine is going to be learned by itself. Yeah, this is already known. Previously, I can fetch my database. So any extra services will be there, mean it will be open. This is the case. And next, support complex and real world workflows like a customer service and automation. Sir, what is the thing is like? So customer service automation is always comes under for that. E-commerce website is vast, everybody knows, right? So the maximum thing is like a customer service and automation is like if you are just frequent usage, like any one of the e-commerce website, definitely that guy is going to be offer some kind of rewards or like is going to be make frequent rewards, frequent connection, is making frequent transaction usage. What are the necessities are there? Definitely that e-commerce website is going to be used, right? Is going to be if you are using for this, compare than all the days. Today is much more offer. You get good. At least your people are what we are going to be do just to go and get some insight. So what is going on there? So that insight is going to be used for that marketing strategy is used for next level generation people enhancement. So this is the thing is customer service and automation will be used. And the final thing is like adapt continuously to evolving environment through ongoing learning. So this is already knows that the best example like ongoing learning is like your software updation. I want to make that software updation. So previously, you know that the Windows or any kind of software initially very starting very low, depends upon the usage base. They will keep update by daily basis. And after that, it may be like now at the time I'm just know that working Windows 98 and XP. I am very well know that. So at the time people who are all the people, I think you will get clear. So you can get knowledge about me. After that, you will get much more. So what are the thing? Even today is like what? So Windows 11 up to is already launched, as well as your people are getting much more clarity about that, right? So this is like environmental based adoption with use of user. The machine is going to be think by itself and keep going on that learning process. So it won't be stop. So life is like not it stop, is always keep going until you are is going to be out of the world. Definitely. This is the main cases. Yes. So this slide is going to be shows like workflows, accelerator AI collaboration, and main thing of that, multiple specialized agent to boost the efficiency, scalability, and fault tolerance. I'm going to make a clear about that. Probably, especially for Indian, how much of the payment API will be there? If you just start like GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, if starting mean you cannot be get that much of what I'm saying, that much of application will be there. Day-to-day life is won't be stopped, but day-to-day life is going to be increased. Compare than old one, now is going to be much more increased. So why I am just want to say like this, it's like it won't be never stopped, right? So it's always going like what I am saying. Yes, if I am going to be stop me, the entire research, like everything will be stopped. So I mean to want to say, for one particular only one application want to become multi-pore means you need other application. Then only is going to be show up. Yeah, this is the good application. Is the fine-tuned application. Is like a better application. Is going to be make thing, right? If I'm going to mention that a class in 50 members are there, I want to make only for one guy. Yeah, this guy is the first mark, this guy is the second mark. How is going to make a clarity? It's like multiple people are there, then only you just pick, yeah, this is the guy is going. Compare than all the people, this is much more okay. At least okay level. And this kind of things is going to be used for that. Only I'm mentioning API for that payment application. Okay, so after that, you just use that boost efficiency, scalability, and fault tolerance. So these are the things. And not only one AI workflows like agent, I'm not asking, is like a multi. So multi AI is going to be used for that. So next, specialized agent. Each agent handle distinct responsibility, enhancing task precision and reliability. Here everybody's know that, right? It's like unique. So payment is going to be used for that, only for that, making payment. Right? So that thing is going to be used. Suppose I want to make an e-commerce. So that API is going to be show up first the product first. So not only one product is going to make a trigger, sir. I am just, you are purchasing this product. If you just add a means, you get reward, sir. Like they are going to be trigger another purchase. It's like I'm asking that another job, another responsibility of that agent is going to be making. This is the thing I'm trying to say. So next, the parallel processing, simultaneously data handling speed ups task completion and support complex workflows. Here I want to make a clarity about that. The parallel processing is like our electric power source, right? It may be example I want to take up. All the people like a building, because I'm like a smart home researcher, I'm going to be useful for that one. So the parallel processing best example is the direct connect from your power connection is comes under for any one of the public, our government support, like 200 watts, like depends upon the building base. So some people are having like only for small room, like 2 rooms and a small village town, and is like buildings, not only one floor. So 14 floor, 10 floor, nowadays become 50 floors, that much of building is also there. So depends upon the power source, you have to give support, right? So this is the thing, support the complex workflows for that one particular building based pipeline efficiency. How we are going to make a speed up? First, everything is going to be first do some analytics. After that, we can go for that much more effectiveness. This is the main thing. So next, the dynamic task allocation. And one of the main thing is like a dynamic task allocation. Is not like a static. So what are the, from my perspective, I want to say like, at that time, instance manner is going to be show up multiple options. Sorry. At the time, multiple manner is going to be make a multiple choice based system is going to be offer you. Sir, I am given like 2 to 3. I'm going to pick that starting only one Gemini AI. How many people are is know that? It's like a Google bot. So previously it's showing like a Google bot. After that is showing in different 3, like a prompt response, like 3 prompt response they will give. Initially like this only. Now only is completely Gemini is going to be happen. So like a choice based is going to be given. I don't know what about that Gemini after enter, everything become only for one. Like whatever you want, I'm going that. That much of choiceness, it won't be get right now. I don't know what I meant. Still now I'm also doing some research on that. I'm not yet get that this. And next, scalable and modular. System architecture support growth adapts changing requirements seamlessly. Here I want to make it clear about that. Previously, your people are considered for using only for smart, not yet come normal cell, right? Everybody's are using that gramophone, right? So that old case, because I am aware of that. Even cell phone also launching means like I know that very small tiny button cell. After that is going to be keep updating 3G like GPRS system. Next is going to be keep update 4G and 4G volt. Now is almost in 5G. Still now the 5G basement, whether it will be get it or not, I am not aware. So the system architecture support growth as well as adapt to changing requirements, seamless integration of that, what you want from the user. So previously, I'm not yet seen that much of in YouTube system in like clarity cluster clear video, right? If I want to make a thing means only for normal video like 320 pixel, next 720 pixel. So next is comes under for like 1024. Like now is like a Blu-ray clear visibility based. That much of clarity all the people are have. So why I'm just asking this means the modular system is going to be keep enhanced by itself, depends upon the usage based as well as given much more what I have. The learning system, what I have is going to be distributed. This is the thing. And finally, the fault tolerance. Nowadays, I want to make it clear about that. Each application have its own self-realization as well as I'm asking that diagnostic system. Each application is already have. I don't know what about others. But right now, the maximum application, if you just going to be taken like any one of the social network, definitely this is my identification and this much of usage your people are is going to be communicate with you depends upon the your plan. Depends upon the user plan only, right? Even that is also cost. So is going to make a marketing is connection, like chain connection between one to another. So this is the multi-agent workflow accelerator of the AI collaboration is like a complete study. Yes. One of the main thing is like customer support bot collaboration, seamless integration of that, our day-to-day life usage. Previous, I think, yeah, probably Wednesday. That day I'm just given, clearly told about that. AGI and ASI. Artificial General Intelligence and like a super intelligent. How is going to be happen? Is like a third party. It may be app. Definitely app will be not there. Only thing is human is like an entire thing customer supports. Customer supports. Whenever I am going to be given that prompt input, the response also will be there. In keep inside, sir, this is you like it or not. Whether your prompt input based, I am fulfill my criteria means please be give me that thumbs up or like. Otherwise feedback. It's like a maximum massive integration of the lot of AI tool it will be given already. Maximum it will be given. So they are going to be boosted by that application by itself. Yes, this is the prompt and this is the input, but I learned from this. After that, you can give your prompt. Definitely the system will be given based upon my chatting history. This is I learned from your account based. Definitely the option is going to be show up. I'm asking each application. And the main thing, the specialized bots communicate in real time to boost efficiency and accuracy. I want to make a real time example at the time of I'm going to be taking class and take a photo for the students. It's like a normal. I'm just used for with use of Gemini AI, some kind of things. I'm just keep find the attachment. From this attachment, you just give your own insights. What did you say? At the time application is given, sir, this is like a student classroom. It's like a home environment. I may, because why I'm just getting means switches will be there. Students are wearing uniform, like a cluster clear uniform manner. After that, I'm trying to go get some knowledge about that ID card those people are wear. After that, proper each people is considered for unique, like everything proper dress code, fan and desk. These are machine is going to be learned by itself. After that is going to be given these kind of things. And the boost efficiency and accuracy. After I am given that prompt like, okay, in which factor you are going to be evaluate this? like a deep learning matter. Deep insight you just given that. Because next is going to be taken wide, like angle based. From that, only one picture, not only I'm given, like a 2 to 3. After the from that picture, I'm just taken routine one. Yeah, exactly like this is like this much of feet. Maximum it going to be fixed. Like this is the classroom. Accurately it's going to be system. Like that AI2 is going to be teachers. Yeah, fine. Thank you. This is the thing scenario cases. I need that. Like frequently, what are the question is going to be bot handler in user queries? I'm asking like user is going to be trying to make the making much more convenience for that multiple user as well as keep update, keep avoid that. What are the thing? And other people to manage the complex questions, instantly evaluation, and provide the quick answers for your the prompt responses. Just a minute. Madam, please be unmute yourself. Who's that? Okay, fine. So some of the people are is going to be get. Sorry for the disturbance. Yes. Yes, thank you. So thank you. Now I need to go for that. I'm asking the bot system you just trying to communicate with your own insights. In which criteria base I'm going to make a validation. I'm just simple. You just copy that any one of the title, any one of the abstract. You just paste it. Please be validate the following content. I'm asking is going to be trigger you. Please be validate the following content. Definitely the system will be going to be make yes sir like this. So from these things, what are the validation you need? Next, based upon the previous connection, continuity between one prompt to another prompt. Like a prompt request response based upon is going to be continue for upcoming the entire thing until you just going for choose the new chat. New chat. Otherwise, the complete, if you just going by days, you are going by like a month, is going to be keep update. You just put into sleep mode. After that, you just return back mean. Definitely the resume base, especially I'm asking that ChatGPT or something, is going to be resume entire process, not only one. It's like multiple tasks at a time. Multiple tasks at a time is going to be enhancing and keep going. What? Where I am. Where I am, which place I am there. Yeah, is going to be keep update like this. And here next is like a refund bot process request. Evaluates complete refund transaction efficiency without human input. I think now Indian system, yeah, applications already launched. Especially for the ATAL, if you just, you may get some wrong recharge. Wrong recharge if you done mean, you are eligible to reclaim. So that opportunity will be there, especially in ATAL, all the things, all the service provider, internet service provider is already have. That facilities will be there. And here the main thing is like without human input. This is the ultimate. Still now this is not yet done, I think so. But is going to be keep update. Is going to be you just try lot of complex input response. You just give, then only the machine is going to be make a trigger, is going to make intelligent and smart. This is I am asking. And next, so escalation bot flags issues, detect complex problem and transfers context to human agent for resolution. The main thing I want to take here is like escalation bot flags. Example, detect the complex problem and transfer context in human agent for resolution in the thing. All the people are is going to be make a ticket booking in online. Right? I'm going to be the main thought. It's like your train booking or flight booking or bus booking. It may be especially for main focus our Tatkal booking. It's the main problem. At the time of that peak time, probably third AC means 10, right? So morning 10 o'clock. Otherwise, you just go for sleeper mean 11. Within that thing, multiple. Sorry for the people. Okay, so I just want to mute all the thing. After that, we can go. Yes. So thank you. So I'm just going to be giving the real-time example of our Tatkal booking or something. At the time, the multiple user is going to be keep waiting for that. Like I want to book, because that is like a rush hour, right? So at the time rush hour, we need these kind of things to detect the complex problem. Even you are also don't know, I am also don't know which guy is going to be keep waiting in online. Like first, only for first thing. So that first guy is going to be keep update and is going to be based upon the maybe agent means is given some priority or something. So previously that compulsory of that Aadhaar card, Aadhaar PAN, if you want to Tatkal booking mean previously is not there, but right now is completely updated. Right now if you want to go and book means like the human agent is going to be pick your that digital identity of Aadhaar, it's must for that booking. So this is the best real-time example of to tackle like and analyze the issues. And next that bots share context in real time, communicates continuously to ensure seamless, hands-off and consistent customer experience. The main thing at the time maximum is considered for traveling based, because especially for this customer support and bots is considered for dynamic flow only. At the time of traveling like a flight and a train, the tower connection you want to watch your any one of the application in YouTube definitely some place you are maximum nowadays is it won't be happen. Some people are is going to be iPhone and plenty mobiles are is going to be keep there as well as good efficiency. Only one you just enter for that one video means entire thing will be buffered, is going to be stored in that buffer place. This is nowadays is completely adopted, but previously it's not like that. So it's going to be cut. Otherwise, it's going to be what downloading going on like a rounding. It's going to be keep updating. Yes, moving, loading. Sir, please be wait. I have to make a load first. After that, I can allow for playing. This is the thing. So one signal to one place to another place, like dynamic place, your video, your audio, your data become like much more stability is going to be taking consistency between mobile user view as well as those like a client and server process. This is the thing. And next, the final outcome, faster and accurate support like multi-agent collaboration, reduce human workload, speeds response and improves the issue solution. And each thing, still now I'm going to be given that each thing, each API is like a unique work is going to be done. Like payment means payment. In which way payment? Like mobile number or like UPI ID or account based. This is the thing, right? So definitely any one of the integer value. Mobile number means like completely integer. So consider for like UPI ID mean you go for that string, right? So string based that account number selection. After that you can go for further thing. And nowadays bank something like a QR code, image based, right? It's like a hidden. Your number become like hidden. So not yet known for other people. So that much thing will become okay. After that I can go and take over that. Okay, so next, what I am trying to say is like outcomes. The maximum efficiency will be considered for like mobile number based transaction or like account number, like what I'm saying, like UPI based transaction will be efficient, or it's like a QR based it will be efficient. So this is like only one agent, but multiple tasks at a time is going to be keep update. Multiple tasks at a time, but is going to be keep updated and used for this. Okay, so after that we can speed up the response, improve the issues. If you are not yet doing mean nowadays the UPI account also have some unique, right? Within 2000 you no need a pin, so directly you can make a payment like instant, like a faster transaction. I am given that option for the fast transaction. Like this much thing it may be happen, and future I'm not yet aware, it may be increase for that amount or like a transaction, it may be there. Now it may be up to 2000 level will be there. Yes. So next the expanding agent capabilities, adoption and evaluation. How the data agent grows smarter and stay relevant in dynamic AI environments. Dynamic AI environments, I want to make a clarity about that. Your people are going to be take a selfie for one particular time. You are taken finished. After that, again, you are going to be taken again, same pose, same thing. But according to machine point of view, it will be different, like dynamic, right? At a time, the machine is going to be think, yeah, you are just holding, keep holding like another one. So not same thing, not other the what I'm just given. So time is going to be different. You cannot be feeded for the time for that machine. So this is dynamic data only you are going to be uploaded. After that, I can go for further. Machine is always thinking like that. Machine is always thinking like that. It's like environment become like dynamic. And I want to make improve myself. How can I act become like a smart? Agent acquire new skills by learning from data and experience. And integration of new API expands agents and functional reach. Updating decision logic enable handling and more complex data. These first three things are like fixed for all the APIs. Agent acquire new skills by learning from data and experience. I'm going to be given the deep dive explanation of social network. Like any one of the social network, you can take like e-commerce website or like your communication social network. First is going to be given ingredients like what are the inputs from your side. I want to make believe, how can I believe you are the human? First identity like this at the time of creating account. Definitely. After that, how you are going to make a transaction is like a touch with other people. How we are going to be touch with other people. This is the good insights, as well as is going to be make a clarity insights. This is the machine is going to be start learning like this. So based upon your like if you are choosing like Amazon or Flipkart or like a Mizo or something like that, you just not yet buy anything. You just go and see what are the products will be there. But machine is going to be taken. Yeah, at the time, sir, you are previously shown up. These are the product. So now some offer will become. Will you able to get or not? Will you willing or not? Definitely it will become. This is the exact scenario cases to learning of that ML algorithm. And next, integration of new API expands agents functional reach. Here is like a frequent transaction for that one particular account or like activeness. Previously, the one of the major thing is like I'm asked that autism, right? So how much of the mobile adoption for that one particular human? So whether like is completely inside the mobile or outside the mobile, or is going to be that guy living here, or is like a machine, or is like a robot, that much of thing will be there, right? So autism research is always keep updating like that only. So what I'm trying to say is like integration of new API is going to be make a calculation of that your daily how much of application whichever is going to be used. If it may be you will get diversity or not. I'm asking that you get continuing that or making diversity or not. What the thing? So what happened? These are the things are is going to be keep update. Okay, so the functional reach maximum, not only one social network, one account, it won't be happen. It's like multiple accounts, like multiple members, usage based. And text based means what are I'm just going to be use one particular account like WhatsApp data. If I'm going to be make like hi, how are you? So what are the things? The text is same repetitive used for another people mean the cache memory is going to be stored, right? So this is like one of the functional reach. I'm asking the functional is going to be keep updating. Which text this guy is going to be most frequently used? Whether the symbol, according to machine point of view, text also symbol, right? So text and which language and which symbolization or which thing this guy is going to be make use and utilize it. Okay, so updating decision logic enables handling more complex tasks. Updating decision logic. Here I want to make a clarity. If I am going to be use one particular AI tool, like I'm not asking like application based AI. The decision logic, previously, what are the prompt I am given, everything is going to be keep update and store in one logic. So logic in the sense like a task. So this guy on the day, these things will be stored. Machine I am going to be learning, that is separate database will be there. So machine is going to be insight. What are the insight is going to be learned by particular account. So based upon your next transaction, like next request, prompt request is going to be keep update and making decision. Yes, this guy is going to be like this. Depends upon the usage of your application, your social network, like, and handling more complex tasks. After that, at a time, you can open multiple tab for that, multiple vision for that, right? So best example is your browser. Your browser, first initially your people are just opening for 1 or 2, right? Only for 1 tab or 2 tab or 3 tab. But nowadays 10, 20. If I am going to pick any one of the one browser like 10, 20, 50, this is also very, very less, because the diversion will be always came. Sir, one tab is going to be given another link, other link, like metadata, social imbalances and balances factor is like a diversion. This is I am asking, and is going to be continuous, right? So this is the best task, like a complex dot. How is going to be your system handled based upon your previous inputs, your usages. And next, the continuous adoption boost agent versatility and lifespan. This is everybody's knows that. Previously, I'm going to be use that one of the social network like API, Gmail, only for like minimum facilities will be there. Now, each people Gmail account is not like a Gmail only for account. It's like a workforce, like workstation. Each account become like this. So everything that much of facilities will be given for that. Why the thing is depends upon the updation and future and enhancement and further clarification. Okay, so further clarification. It may be used for your future purpose. Definitely, completely next generation people is going to be used. So how we are going to be giving much more effective, normal than much more effective. Based upon that, different lifespans. I'm asking that employment based. So if your people are going to be watching any one of the reel is like employment in the sense, okay, whether people are like professor means you are always focusing on that content generation, like workshop schedule, like blah blah blah, and research paper and a seminar and blah blah blah, like this. But other than business envelope, you just think like that. The hotel management will be there. So that is, guys, like a real-time knowledge is going to be gathered from the real-time environment, right? So that lifespan totally different. So these is going to be used for that continuous adoption is going to be boost enhance by itself like application based, and after that is comes under for hardware based. If you much more application usage mean, definitely we can go for that given hardware. So frequent hardware. Example is like your bus ticket booking system. Previously everything keep like note, but it's like advanced level, right? And after that, if you just consider booked means your e-cab, you just show up only one thing. Depends upon the very, very short terms like local and national and international. So international bus booking system is also there. Everybody is aware of that. Yes. Like this. And the evaluation ensures AA system. Anybody is out there? Sorry for the thing. Okay. So some sorry. So some noise will be came. Okay, no problem. Yes. Okay, thank you. So next, the evaluation ensures AI system to stay effective and amid changing data environments. Here I want to make a thing like a dynamical changing data environment is the best example for your climate predictions. So the maximum thing is always considered for that climate prediction, right? So if you want to go like what I am saying, next level improvement, the sunny season and the climate winter season, your day-to-day life as well as habituate also is going to be changed, right? So even your life type scenario is going to be adapted for that, your health. I'm asking like health factor. So you can keep update. Yes, this season I'm getting like this. This season I'm getting like. The machine is going to be stored by itself, and after that, it won't be happen for future. They will give instant support, like evaluation. They will going to be checked by itself. After that, communicate with others. So why I'm always keep updating like this? Future is like a complete chatbot system. It's like a medical oriented chatbot. It may be. I am going to be asked that in public, any one of the chatbot like hospital is there means I'm getting fever. You don't need to go for that place. In your mobile, if you are open means everything will be come, right? Even that application on WhatsApp number will be there for universal, some kind of things. I think Tamil Nadu also is yet to be started, or I'm not aware. So one application will be there, like these are my systems, like unique, the cultural language based, okay, the own language. So these are my symptoms. So what I have to do? Go further. The prescription is going to be given. Yeah, it's going to be adopted. So these are like a environment changing, like climate use based for that communication between that human and chatbot system. So ongoing improvement drives innovation and competitive advantage. And I want to make a clarity about that. Nowadays, the lot of too much of drive innovation will be there, and is going to make a much more advantage also there. The same chatbot system, I am going to be keep the building in hospital mean that is hospital, right? Like a disease prescription maker. The same chatbot system, I am going to be keep updating bus stand. It's like a time calculator. The same chatbot system, I am going to be keep in our college national board. What? It's like a student feedback collection and the next level improvement. That is the thing. The same chatbot I'm going to be keep in bus stand means like a public. So public interaction. So these are like a drive innovation is going to be take and much more advantage is going to be trigger in day-to-day life. Still now any doubt will be there? Kindly please ask. I'm clear to rectify. Any one of the thing, doubt, clarity? At least please be give some thumbs up, or all the people are it should be there, or I want to get awareness, right? So please be give at least like this. Sorry. Chat. Okay, thank you. So thank you, Archana Devi ma'am and Sankita. Yeah, Sankita Patil ma'am. Yes, thank you ma'am. Anand Mohan sir, thank you. Okay, so Naveen sir, thank you. Mayuri Devi, thank you. And Pavitra. Okay, fine. So thank you. So yeah, and get much more clarity because your people are there and I want to know up, right? Yes. And next slide is going to be speak about that expanding agent capabilities with the new skills for boosting performance by integrating API and databases and secure workflows. The expanding agent capabilities always comes under for that is like a multiple path system is going to be show up as well as increase your vision. The main thing, please be keep in mind, not only one prompt request respond. From based upon the previous input is going to be give much more effective. The machine is always given that much of building model will be used. Okay, the first criteria to integrate API calls to external service for real-time data access. It's like audio or video, previously only for like bytes based, and after that KB, next MB, megabyte base. Now everything become like GB is already done. Even the maximum your lot of application is going to be give effective manner of that GB level data. And TB level also launched. That much of the data transaction between like not only one, I'm asking like multiple user. Okay, so these already launched, is going to be used also. So how can I mention like this means it's like a data is going to be given source for like a surfing system. So surfing system ready to offer multiple, especially for video, the movie download or something like that, right? It may be used for that. And after that, execute the database queries to retrieve dynamic information on demand. So demands is always comes under for that. User is going to be making trigger of that society people. Okay, today you have to finish this task. So what your people are doing, definitely you are going to be trying to do. At a time, all the time, your people are going to, and not only like uniform manner. It's like the server is going to be hacked at a time. Like complex is going to be happen. Right? So sales agent using the like a customer relationship management APIs to fetch up the data and date-based customer. And main thing is like at the time of what I mean to say is like Amazon's like a big billion days, right? Yeah, big billion days like so Navaratri special and the Christmas special, New Year special. They are going to be trying to give some insight. Sir, today like this much of festival I am given like this. This is the best sales agent. I'm asking sales agent is going to be making connecting with you. Okay, so update agent workflows to incorporate that new skill seamlessly and modularly, whether your responder needs. Yes. Yeah, let's see what it happens. You just keep enter mean. Definitely the machine is going to be okay. This guy, at least something is going to be respond. Yes, is going to be seen, not yet purchased, but is going to be enter in our API. Yes, keep update. Definitely that also is going to be update. And after that, is going to be further enhancement. When you just open for next time, the intimation is going to be come up. Okay, it may be come up. And here the main thing is like that data is going to be stored in your own, like your own account and your system, like it may be mobile or laptop or tab. Definitely it's become like a secure and efficient communication for you just going to be chatting with like other system means. And one of the main secure efficient, all the people are get aware of that blockchain, right? If you just make only one particular QR payment or something mean that data, even administrator also never ever going to be changed that. Okay, so even administrator also never ever going to be changed that. Why I'm just asking means like you cannot do the modifications. I'm asking that you cannot do the modification. Okay, so you cannot do the modification. So that is a secure ledger is going to be used for like distribution manner and as well as computation manner. Okay, so now I am going to be go for the next implementation of robust error handling to maintain agent reliability and the ability skills to enhance the agents as well as is going to be used for that next level improvements. This depends upon the social network. What are the errors will become? You just make a snap it. The same snap you just feed it for that any one of the AI tool. Definitely it will be going to be used. Definitely it's going to be used. And after that, you can keep update. What is the error? And main thing is, what are the error you going to be come up in your system? Please take a snap and go to feed for any one of the AI tool. What is the thing? What happened? Give the solution mean. Definitely it will give. Like a real-time way of that practical manner, I am asking that given prompt. This is the thing is going to be used for that all the software system. Nowadays, not it completely fulfilled, but future is like a complete self-analysis as well as diagnostic system is already will be there. It's like much more effective to recover your cloud data. Next, okay, just a minute. I want to check up time. Yeah, so only for 10 minutes. Okay. So 7:30 we can properly leave that. After that, the small break, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. After that, we can go for further. Okay. So any clarification means kindly please don't hesitate to that. You can ask me. I will clear about that in between meantime. And now observing agent performance metrics for evaluation, track essential key performance indicators. This is all the thing like machine learning and what are the real-time problem solving, that key performance indicators always playing vital role to making much more efficient and effective, to make smart and intelligent and expert system. That is must. I'm asking, that is must to optimizing the parameters. So first one is like accuracy. What are the things are there? We always checking like that accuracy. I want to make a real time like your touch sensor in your mobile or your laptop. First your people are is going to be make a like very soft manner. After that your people are like show up your original character like tuck 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 in multiple things, right? So even if you one time your people are is not yet get, what I mean to say is like I'm not yet get me, again you have to press, again you have to press, again until you get much more temper. Okay, I want to finish this task. This is like accuracy, whether not yet, and as well as the complexity you are given feed to that particular sensor is going to be, I don't know what I have to do. It's going to be getting stunned. It's going to be getting stunned. At the time of agent point of view, definitely you should be keep update. At the time 5 times you just click means you just go like this. You can previously everything will be there, make it clear. You can open new one. This is the agent task. I am asking that. You have to give, provide and good efficient response to make another task opening. Another task opening. And next, the response time. How quickly agents answer or act on request. Here, one of the main category of your browser server. At the time, you just keep update. You just going to be making of that any one of the payment is going to be done in restaurant or fee payment in like your college. You are going to be get scanning the QR code. After that, the loading process will be take time. At the time in your normally, not only you, our mind also keep update whether the payment will be okay or not. What I have to do? I cannot go further, right? So what I have to do? They will think like. So machine is going to be keep update rounding. It may be like signal problem is going to be fetching the problem. The response time is going to be tracked for not only one, each transaction. Your API, which API you are using. So everything is going to be keep update. How much of the time is going to be fetched is going to be done. So that database also you can keep maintain that. So the task completion rate, the percentage of task agent finish successfully. Yes, you can keep update. If the failure also, you can keep update. Why? What is the reason? So what are the diversity is going to be getting that corresponding application or like external factor. So internal and external factor, what are the factors are there? Everything is going to be give update. So next, the user certification for feedback score, reflecting and user experience with the agent. This is normally all the people are is going to be used there, right? So every people are is going to be used. So user experience based, the feedback collection is necessary for all the API for effective software making system. When you just keep continuous chat with that any one of the AI told me, definitely they will ask, sir, I'm doing my perfect job. This is like a human thought I'm asking. I am keep going is good or bad. Definitely any one of the state will become. So yes, you are going, keep going, sir. Please be continue, sir. Yeah, please be continue. The same thought is going to be repeatedly given for that AI tool for one particular chatbot system. Whether I am given original data or validated data, do you like it or not? Yes, please go ahead. Like this kind of transaction, like cognitive skill is going to be give implementation of that particular. Then only the ML, DL and is going to be for deep dive explanation like learning algorithm is going to be given accurate result. And resource consumption, monitoring CPU, memory and other system usage by agents. The initial stage of the resource consumption is like a practical example of that your day-to-day life data, like what are the geo users. So this time how much of the kbps speed it will become, how much of the mbps speed it will become, right? So previously that option will be not there, but you have to take at the time, sir, see, the not only for myself, so for all other people also getting like a keep update for that. Today very low signal, I'm not yet get that much of thing, so how much of the mb, like this much of the data, it's like a real-time simulation. So sorry, so real-time simulation, so that simulation is going to be used for that, making effective is going to be keep awareness of user also. Yes, I am receiving not this. So why I'm these I'm indicated mean previously the machine is going to be everything keep inside, because previous like internet service providers are everything keep and like inside, but now those hidden layers is come out is going to be given for awareness of that user, then only your next hidden layer will be reopened for that corresponding any one of the sensor, like I'm asking that any one of the integration of that tool. So this is like enhancements of that secure and much more effective or deep process, you may take like that. And after that, error rates, frequency of failure, incorrect output generated by agents, this is also going to be calculated. The main thing is like unknown person is going to be appear, scare, URL prediction is going to be usually in WhatsApp mean your people are, you are not yet done, but you just click what is the message at the time. If you click mean automatically going for website is going to be keep another process will be executed. It may be like yeah, what I am trying to say is like amount failure or amount is maybe going to be fetched up for your banking account, otherwise account, the maximum account losses will be acted like this only, like error rates is going to be making calculate. After that, adaptability, ability to handle the new inputs and adjusting to changing the conditions. Sorry, these are like a main key performance indicator for observing agent performance for the evaluation. You can everything you can keep in any one of the AI tool mean definitely they will keep intimate you for that particular performance and intimations. Just a minute. Yeah, so last 5 minutes I'm going to be finished up. After that we can continue further. It may be like so next session is completely hands-on session. So how is going to be given that it's like a real-time manner how the data agent we can create and checking. I will try to give my best. It possible means you can try to capture and open the program file. I will completely share to you. You just try it your own. First we can go by step execution. After that we can go by like depends upon the time based. So today I hope that so all the people are like today holidays and now onward that especially in Andhra Dasara will be started. I hope that we can try our level best. And here first I will check any one of the yes. So thank you Pavitra ma'am for the inputs. And next we are be there in monitor chatbot accuracy live. So the main thing previously I'm already told that definitely you are given data, maximum people won't be checked whether you are given validated raw data or not. So how can I believe that validated means please be give me that which website you are going to be taken. So definitely even that chatbot also is going to be collecting multiple websites. It's like 50 or 30, right? Depends upon that your country based and after your location based, your experience based, it may be give. So first you have to check that live and the validation, everything is one of the necessary factor for given quality as well as the user satisfaction, right? So whatever you are given, how can I believe, sir? How can I take like, yeah, fine. Everything is like quite good. So some people are known, some people are unknown, right? So that metric is necessary to track effectiveness of that particular API, like I'm asking the chatbot system. So agent also is like this. So compare the agent response and resource against expecting answer or user feedback to measure accuracy. Here, the measure accuracy in that complete depends upon the API, or it's like it may be like hardware system or software system. You can take anything. So agent, hardware agents also, not, I think it may be launched. I'm not yet aware that exact thing, but it will be there. And display the real-time metrics such as intent recognition accuracy and fallback rates and conversation success scores. And the real-time metrics is used upon that. I want to pick up that any one of the, at the time driving mode, you just go for that any one of the application. I want to go and reach there, and each sector based that application is going to be keep intimate you. Sir, this is like a smart restaurant. Maximum people like this much of people given like this much of rating. Will you taken or not? So next is going to be keep updating. So okay, your gas or petrol or diesel something is not yet filled means this is like a 4th rating. It will be there. You can eligible to take. You can fill your gas or whatever you want. So this is like a good place for that refreshment. Like Taba. So what are the things? Everything is going to be keep update in real time manner. I'm asking like real time manner. It will be given that conversation. The system is going to be keep conversation with you. And after that, he is going to be making finalize the success rate. Okay, yes, fine. Yes, sir. You are given much more. I will be. Yes, okay. You can keep update. So Amazon, something like that, Siri or what are the things is a real time, right? Is already there for personalized hardware based the communication, like responsible. Okay. So and next thing also is like automation, AI integration based, like complete your dinner maker and the system, the kitchen setup is already there, right? Your job is to just give some like this much of quantity of rice or this much of thing. Okay, I need taste 1. Go there. Test 2. Like this. Test 3. If I'm going to be make like any one of the normal dosa, okay, normal dosa taste like this. I need this much of thin, thick. You can add some this kind. This is you can keep update. This is my taste 1. After that, going for that mean. So this is my taste 2. For what I'm trying to say mean like task is going to be making taste task assigned for that corresponding kitchen maker for smart appliances, AI based smart appliances. So this is like a conversation success score is going to be keep update. And next, the continuous monitoring enable prompt detection of performance and degradation. Here the main thing is like the same dosa one particular time and climate it may be changed. The same time I'm going to be given for next climate. Like not yet given for that is machine, right? Not yet given accurate. So there some kind of degrade like false. So some penalties also there. Definitely that is also you should be analyzed. Then only the effective thing won't become. So penalty and degradation is also most key performance indication analysis used for that. The Magen and benchmark algorithms. And next, the quick retraining and interventions means high service quality and user satisfaction. Sometimes it may be you people are get instant result and instant service, but sometimes you maybe get late, right? If depends upon the API, you just purchase any one of the product in online e-commerce. Okay, this product what I am ordered is not like that. I want to revoke, right? If you click mean, their convenient only is going to be come and get back, right? So after that, definitely you want instant. Please be make it quick. Some kind of things will be there. So not yet. So it may be in city side that option will be there because that everything will be the store will be near with me. They will ready to collect, but not all the like. And rural like this much of case it won't be happen, right? So we cannot expect that much of high service quality also. What I'm trying to say mean for all the time, all the places you have to give and much more accuracy because this is chatbot accuracy. You should be give. much more. Okay. So shall I stop that because time is 7:30? So now the participation time. Sir, now you can unmute yourself. I need your any one of the queries or something like this. I'm willing to clarify it still now. Like measuring that agent, data agent system. Anybody's have doubt, please be. Anybody's have doubt means please. You can keep in chatbot or something. Okay, so now I can keep right now. I will
Hey,
stop it.
no
We can.
doubt, it's a good session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, currently we don't have any doubts. It's be a good interactive section.
Okay. So shall I take some time of that? So 20 minutes I am given some break or after that we can rejoin. Okay, so any doubts and clarity mean related to that we can go further. It may be. Okay. So I will stop it right now. So participants, please be try to come up. It may be what I am asking. Yeah. So 7:35 right now. Okay, 20 minutes. So 7:50. I'm going to be given that 7:50. Okay. If anything mean you can give and give update. So thank you. So we already just returned back. Now we can continue our session. I don't know how much of the time it will be taken. I'm trying to finish as much as and quick time, because this is much more important topic in future aspect and everything. Let it be finish that previous continuation. After that, one of the real-time case studies, like implementation of that, especially for the healthcare related agent AI is going to be created by our team, is going to be used for the purpose of getting and further improvements. Please we get some insight from that real-time case analysis. After that, we can go for the necessary like impact. So my slide again, same getting visibility, right? Anybody please give me some response. It may be like thumbs up or something. Or chat window. Yes. Okay. We will get clear. So these are we almost done. I'm just quick make recovery. So the previous topics like data agents is going to be make the future next generation envelope, and with use of that how we are going to be take out that making AI, and depends upon that much more intelligent is going to be make a smart AI. So previously that everything done, but smart AI will be there. It's how can I give much more effectiveness. Still now we are just going to be using like this. Yes. So this point, I'm going to be continue about that. Yeah, only a few more slides are there. As much as we can, I'm given that quick review. After that, we can move for next slide, use case study analysis. After that, we can. Anybody queries? Okay, okay, done. So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All the thing. Okay. Okay, so Sangeeta Sharma ma'am, thank you ma'am, Mayuri ma'am, thank you, Pavitra ma'am, thank you, Anand sir, thank you, and Jitendra sir, and thank you. Yes. And previous session, I already told that like a key performance indicator of that making agent AI, how is going to be given good impact. Like how can I evaluate the AI, sir? Like agent AI. So how can I call that agent, right? Definitely you have some comparison all other people. Okay, the is going to be getting some insights, and you are ready to offer something. Depends upon your prompt request, right? So the prompt request base, you will get some insight. After that, they are going to be trying to make a better performance. And I want to clear about that. If your people are using like any one of the AI to like ChatGPT or Gemini or Bot or other than that, what the Claude or something, not only you are the only one guy. It's like a multiple account and multiple people with a multiple system. If you just keep understanding the same account, you will be there in your mobile, and same account will be there your laptop. At a time you are using me, you will get two different answers. So this is going another one track, and that one is going another one track. And system is going to be keep that much of nook and corner analysis. Okay, this is run by like mobile API. That is like laptop, like system API. So in two track and two different ways, it will be going to be given. After that, making complex and do some self-study and self-vision is going to be give better performance. This is going to happen. Okay, so the generalized performance assessment first aggregates the key metrics into a single and holistic score. The main thing, the validation. Whether my input, what I am given, everything will be validated. You can give that prompt like, how can I validate your data? The system will be going to be teach you. They will consider you. Yes, this guy is going to be checking myself, whether I am giving proper prompt response or not. Yes, keep update. After that, accuracy and efficiency, adaptability and user feedback. Only one thing make it clear. Only one thing make it clear. What are the prompt you are given? The system is going to be learning by, okay, fine. You have to keep ready for that next level improvements. You have to give accurate like, yes sir, this you are just given like this means, okay, fine. But I'm not yet get full-fledged manner. I'm not yet get that much of clarity. Please be regenerate. I need like add your taste. Like you can pick your taste. Sir, I need exactly like from these. Please be try it. Definitely they will consider that prompt. After that is going to be engage the plan. It will be explore what are the things you will get. So definitely we are going for only one track, but the system is going to make an opportunity for going multiple tracks. Like is going to be given insight from multiple paths. Okay. So when is going to be happen mean you have to properly do like this. Adoption and user feedback. User feedback is always must. We have to give your appreciation. Yes, you are given fine. If you're not it mean, okay, you have to go for that. It's like AA tool for my perception like your child. It's like a child. You have to make much more utilize yourself. Then only is automatically is going to be come up. Not only strong, much more strong it will become. And next, the simplifies the complex evaluation by providing one comprehensive measure. Example, I want to pick that prompt. I want to write a research paper on this title. Next, by like your name, something you are given me, and next update. You just give only for partial prompt. The system automatically is going to be predicting, yes, this guy is going to be given, this is the exact thing I have to ready to give. Okay, so this much of measurement, like a complex measurement and comprehensive, everything is going to be system will be make a model is one kind of like rack system. Okay, so the track is going to be explore everything. And after that, when you just needed mean is going to be retrieved like this. So temporal monitor is going to be retrieved, ready to offer. And next, the enable benchmark across different agents for fair comparisons. I already told that the fair comparison is always comes under for unique identification. Definitely not all the people are the same mentality and same thing. Each people are is like different, right? Even API and AI tools also, they are ready to trigger and make a model for unique feature establishment. So that the fairness will be is going to be identified, used for that next level improvements. And it tracks agent progressive over time to support continuous improvement. It's like a step up. I'm asking that building blocks, basic building blocks. Initially, it's like if you just pick like only for that ChatGPT only for few members, I think so. For what? Not only thing. If you just make a Gmail initially only for 5 members, next comes under for 50, next 5,000, next 5 lakhs, next 5 crore, billion and million. This is the growth level. I'm asking like growth level. So the building step up and gear up process is always increase. The same flow for agent also. The progress is going to be keep and enlarge ourselves, and after that it can. So support data driven decisions. Support data driven decisions. Sir, what are the data driven, sir? Yeah, your prompt will be data, right? Your prompt will be data. So some people are is going to be much more established of that you are text based convenient with that much. And after that, some people are is going to use it for that. No, sir, I need only for that image based. Yeah, you can keep upload image. They will give some insight from this image. So what are the insights you are getting? Please be give, elaborate and establish different visions. System make it clearly give. And is going to be trying to make a multiple decision. After that is going to be make optimization. Yes, this guy is going to be needed. For unknown, that path, everything is going to be stored in your cases. Okay, after that is going to be stored in your case. Whenever the exact prompt is going to be matching, that track system is going to be open. So this ERAG is always used for that, established for learning the system and API by itself and optimize. That's the purpose. Here, the maximum thing is always at the time of our my study purpose, we are using like C++ Java, and now everything become like Python code and calculate agent GPA performance assessment, right? So previous thing we are done like that only, and the calculation function, the main categorization is like a response time to prioritized for that faster response. Priority for that given fast response. If I am going to be use any one of the AI tool, I am going to be pick a different task. Okay. If I'm just pick like ChatGPT, first new task. That time I'm going to be making text conversation. Next I have to go for that only for image. Next I have to go for that what audio or video or something like that. My user perception, like I want to make effective PPT presentation. Yeah, it may be. After that, I want to make like much more like video generation. Yes, it may be. Depends upon your user convenience. This is the thing. The complex base normalize the response time as well as fastness. When you are going to be keep update, given training to them. I'm asking that model. So that model. This is the exact scenario cases might be used. And next, the feedback accuracy, it may be maximum. Then this is the normal cases. So accuracy 50%, normalized response time 30%, and user feedback 20%. This is like account based. I'm asking like account based is differentiation will be there. I'm asking that some people are using like a plan based, right? So only for few members. Next, another member. So if you just keep enter and plan based, it will be give much more future is automated for that particular account base. Okay. So next, the input metrics. So maximum the system is going to be taken consider for the user metrics. After that is going to be come up for that. Sir, from your calculation, I learned this. Okay, these are like what are the other metrics you are done? Please be give some insights. Yes, it will be. Next, the weighted aggregation of diverse metrics provided a meaningful single score to evaluate agent performance. And simple task I am going to be triggered to you. So please be do one of the smart analysis. It's like a silly thing or whatever thing you may be considered like that. Please be take a photo, your photo. I'm asking like your photo. Upload any one of the AI tool or ChatGPT anything. Make it from the attachment. Please be paying what are the social connected network will be there. You just try it yourself. For your other coming, if you are laptop mean you can try it the same thing. Or like you just given for only for this, please be make a related to what are the right now online social connectivity this guy is going to be open. Yeah. It's like a real time that live prompt, everything is going to be fetch up and they are ready to hour. Right? They are ready to give is a good and best performance also. So this is the thing, the key takeaway from one generation of that usage prompts and next level improvements. Okay. Yes. Still now we are just seeing that agent AI, how he is going to be given good as much as our own API based. Now I am entered to that super intelligence. Boosting agent GPA with smart optimization. This is called, and previous one of the thing I'm clearly told that first we can go for the general intelligence analysis. Next, we can level up the super intelligent analysis. Okay. The life cycle, like these are the processes going to be used with that. First, fine tuning by retrieving agent with the relevant data to improve the accuracy. The fine-tuned thing first is going to be take up your collaborative running of that, your social application. Definitely your people are not yet going for only one AI tool, right? So definitely multiple AI tool in multiple things. The collaboration. After that, your system like your mobile. You are mostly used for that your mobile mean making model. Okay. So retry and making much more effective model. Making them is going to be stored in your RAM. After that, hyperparameter optimization to find out the best model settings for peak performance. This peak performance always not only for your application. I'm asking that one particular AI application in multitask as well as one particular account and another one like another account people. I'm asking that another account people in multiple same. So at the time scenario cases, you just think like that in physical rack, if I'm going to be open one particular rack open means like browser A, like web based. In different things will be there and different accounts and different data will be there. And that rack is used for that purpose. Is going to be optimized and within corresponding rack only. I cannot keep go for another. It's like a transformation will be possible. Transformation will be possible, but the smart optimization is always focused on that in lightweight intelligence. First, initially like lightweight intelligence. So try to make first, okay, nearest self-help. So where is the things are, which place I want to give the much more effective. This self-help optimization is going to be initiated and stored. After that, the peak performance like multiple person intelligence is going to be given how the smart optimization is going to be calculated for that in all the people. Exactly. Initially, if I'm going to be calculated for entire city, next entire state, next entire nation, next entire the all over the world, next all over the world apart from that earth. So that is also there, like our racket, so Chandrayaan, these kind of things. Still now we are just going to make a connection with that, right? So this is the scenario cases of that. Data augmentation is going to be expand training the data between one particular region to multiple. This is like different for that quantity and quality based. I'm asking that the generalization, how the generalization will be fixed that. And next, the reinforcement learning for the adaptive agent behavior based on continuous feedback. I'm always saying that each prompt request if you are done mean definitely in downstairs whether my prompt will be good or bad. That question will be appear. The maximum your people are not yet responded that one. It's not fair. Please be try to give some insights. For what other tool you are using, please be try to give some insights. Why I am just asking means then only the connection, the bond between you and your user input, the system is going to be thinking by itself, okay, this guy, what are the purpose is going to be used. Complete training and make an effective model. It going to be given, this is the thing. And next, so optimizing interference efficiency to speed up decision making without losing quality. This is everyone knows, right? And optimizing inference efficiency, I want to make a real-time example for that video making. Nowadays, lot of people are going to make a money with that video, right? Example, your WhatsApp or Instagram. You just open means the money will be used for that guy only, not for yourself. So your people are the maximum students going to be getting for time pass purpose. Yes, sir. Fine. That time pass purpose, I need to get some divergence. Okay, fine. But when you are just going to be open, see the multiple thing, the amount will be going for that guy only, not for you. If you just click respond at me, that is also amount. Like single, twice, thrice. If you forward me, again it will be going up, develop for next level. Yeah, same thing, the amount will be going to be transferred for only for those social network, right? Not for you. You just for saying like, yes, next, let's, yeah, fine. Like this is real-time scenario cases. Okay, so optimizing inference. If you just click like only for that comedy or something like that, yes, according to. If you just click for that only for industry or social or only for like what a cooking process, only that video content will be stored for next upcoming video is going to be related to that. So not it comes under for like a collaborative. Okay, so not it comes under for that much of collaborative I'm asking. So your insights will be wherever the API, the AI will be automatically modeled and give according to that only. Training also happen like. And using the continuous feedback loops and the A/B testing to validate and refine improvements is for all the cases. The continuous feedback loop is always much more effective, right? To make an effective modeling system. If you just going to be run any one of the public or private institution like whether your workshop will be conducted, yes, I want to make a feedback, right? How? Yeah, good. Okay level, sir. Not, sir. Waste, sir. Utter waste, sir. Like this, right? So these are like a refined improvement, whether that guy is going to be taken further or not. This is one cases. No, sir, not yet done. So not yet done. And remaining people are is always keep like, yeah, okay, sir. I don't want to consider, but as much as thing we are provided, whether you take it or not, like this, like lethargicness. For effective feedback loop is always comes under for that your own thing like what you are getting. Okay, but AI will not be there, but your people are is asking only for that, okay, some kind of for certificate purpose or some kind of, okay, sir, good, sir, awesome, sir, another level, sir. Yes, but system is not yet thinking like that. Automatic do my self-analysis mechanism and training mechanism. Okay, and the final thing is like ensuring modularity and scalability to keep agent flexible and maintain high performance. Depends upon the users. The crowd sensing technology. So crowd in the sense whether the 5 people use or 50 or 500 or 5,000 or 5 lakh or 5 crore or 5 billion, 5 trillion. How can I give for all the people, not only one people, all the people I am given or not. So the modularity and scalability with high performance always like this only. And boosting recommendation with targeted fine tuning. I want to make it clear about that. So boosting recommendation with targeted fine tuning. Why it's always need go for that recommendation, sir? Especially for that movie. Your people are watching that lot of movie, right? Yeah, today movie is like awesome. Okay, fine. So especially for this scene, I like it very much. It's going to be touched with my heart. Yes, I'm going to be like the best example like your Netflix or something. So boosting recommendation with that target, right? Okay, I want to make until 500 user. Okay, these are the feedback is going to be given that for online like OTT related means it's like a effective feedback. So first machine is going to be thinking like that based upon collecting the recommendation like feedback. Okay, this guy given only for 2 lines like only for symbol. So next is going to be like that. But the maximum recommendation is going to be boost for that own API. The fine tune like original validators, original reviewers. Why I am always mean to say mean only for that guy only. Okay, some other person is going to be given. Yeah, this is like original review. So original sightseeing is going to be given some insight. We have to take like keep updating effective review based upon making recommendation system, chatbot recommendation system. So I'm want to make about that. I previously told that chatbot for hospital. Okay, so you no need to go for that any one of the people. Even your mobile also WhatsApp application will be there. Okay, you just try to make a call only for you have to give your inputs like, sir, I am getting like this kind. In fever, the first symptom is always like headache. Next, body pain. Next, eyeball pain. Next, like this. Please we give some suggestion for your. After that, system is going to be responding you. Kindly please tell me that your working scenario. So why I'm just going to be asking means the working scenario guesses, yeah, you are always sitting like this, or you are like a movement guy, or you are going to be taking some industry work, or like effective. So effective, like you are just given continuous weightage for your body or not. That kind of thing. Okay, so it's going to be keep update. After that, the final complex intelligence will be working to give clear insights. To give clear insights. Okay, so this is like this case. And after that, here, and in picture, I want to make a clarity about that. So nowadays, all the people are get aware from that virtual try-ons, right? Anybody have some clarity about that virtual try-ons? Please be give in your chat. How many of you are aware of that? Anybody? Okay, fine. So thank you, Pavitra ma'am. At least Archana Devi ma'am. Yeah. I want to make a clarity about that. So the virtual try-ons is always comes under for your next level purchasing of that user input. It's like one smart mirror will be there. You just go and standing there, automatically fix up this guy is going to be which size based fit, like whether the small, medium, large, XL and double XL, they will try to accurately is going to be fixed. And the scenario cases are, this is your casual dress. Yeah, you are going to be fixed. So this is your normal dress. Yes, you can make a short list. System is going to be given insights. After that, you just given the verification. Sir, I need your valuable feedback. This is the exact point. To make general and super intelligent, you have to give the feedback. Yes, sir, you are perfectly, this system, this software is calculated my measurements, like I am a large and small and furthermore, right? So these used for that accurate level. Yes, sir, slightly missed, sir. Not that. I'm just, you are saying correct. Yeah, my thing is like large, but in Excel for my comfortableness. Because working scenario of that people. Yes, you have to give that. Then only everything is going to be stored in that rack. We can go further. This is called fine tuning. This is called, the system is going to be make a fine tune. And the first case scenarios like incorporating user clickstream data and applying transfer learning improved our recommendation. Agents accuracy by 15%, directly enhancing customer satisfaction. This is the virtual try-ons I'm asking now. So smart mirror base, you just going to select like so gents means like shirt or t-shirt or like inner wear, or like inner wear also came. Sorry for that your things. So inner wear, those things also came. Okay, so those things also came, and these people are given yes. Okay, you are perfectly fitted for that. You can go. Yes, enhancing your customer satisfaction and customer feedback. Okay, so calculated by that data scientist people and as well as leading role personnel will be incorporate to that, integrate the API or like corresponding machine. I am asking that chatbot system in purchasing of that dress material. Virtual try-on like this only, right? That is also one of the special category of chatbot system. So after that, it's going to be used for that purpose. And next, optimizing latency alongside fine-tuning the created a smoother user experience, proving the impact of holistic AI deployment status. Sir, what is the meaning of that holistic AI deployments? Anybody have that knowledge with that? So fine-tune is fine, right? For smoother. Especially, some set of people are there like, I want to make up that, so maximum that actor and actress people, those categories are, do you know that? They will have some own like own chatbot in our what I'm thinking, like in our home is always keeping, especially for gym cases normal, right? So all the people use it for that gym case mean it may be used. So next I am asking that the fitness, dress fitness. So dress will be is going to be given that, okay, which hairstyle is suitable for me. Take a photo and click it, and is different angle also there. Different angle also there. And which pose is suitable for me? Kindly please give some option. That uniqueness of that corresponding actors. Okay. So making that smooth and efficiency for that. So definitely next is going to be appear mean making rock. So what are the pose will become? Yes, good. Compare than all other, this is much more good. So that special cases for unique and with the next level improvement of that secureness. Okay, is going to be used with that. Next, continuous monitoring and iterative tuning ensured sustained performance gains, highlighting the importance of targeted optimization in commercial AI system. The maximum, I want to make a clarity about that. The maximum that medical related healthcare chatbot still now is in commercial purpose only, because not yet completely full fledged. For your reference purpose, please be go and get any one of your prescription. I'm asking your own prescription. You just take a photo, you just upload and ask that any one of the AI mean, like this is the thing, this is the thing, and your further improvements. Your further improvements. I'm asking, okay, this is the disease I already came for in my body condition. What I have to like next level improvements, what I have to do, sir? You just ask him means definitely initially the thing is always called that there I am not well-versed doctor. I am not that much of model. I am like normal, like general. System will give initial like that only. After that, it will be given detailed explanation. If you are just given for mobile means, because compare than laptop and mobile, very small case as well as interactive session, they will get immediate response. You will get immediate response. Definitely. You just try it. So still now we are just covered that agentic AI in real-time cases of that healthcare and malls like smart virtual try-ons. So next, I'm asked that the level up of that healthcare 5.0 and industry integrated with disease-based chatbots like fever, like cold. I'm just want to make a clarity about that. Regional based, your people are taking input for drinking water and food culture totally different. So that culture will be, you will get, what I'm asking mean your gene based some kind of disease will be there, but it may be change or it may not be. Okay, you just feed it to system in, definitely they will learn by itself. Okay, so you can go for the next level up. Main important role is like I want to make a clarity about the data science lead, AI engineer, and develops managers like machine learning or deep learning and reinforcement learning. Still now any doubts? Anybody have doubts? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Archana ma'am. I'm going to be for that next. The idea and everything is going to be done. Hands-on code demonstration for data agent. Maximum thing Python related only. Even I want to make a clarity about that. All the people are get aware of that Google Colab, right? Is going to be integrated with AI. So runtime they will give some insights. Okay, if any problem means I am facing this problem. Yes, immediately they will change entire code. They will give continuous step by step process, and after that it depends upon your plan. only for 5 attempts are you are eligible, sir. If next go in, kindly please make a payment, like plan change, right? This is the first phase. And next is going to be, I completely take over your problem. Shall I do some modification according to that mean? Yes, give yes, they will do. If you want to, the first aim is like you are running the program. I'm asking mean first you have to get run, but that insight. After that, you just go for next level up. Okay, tell me that. What is the exact problem? What is the exact problem? So compare that offline and online. Offline, you need to install separate library files. So Google Colab, maximum you no need to install the file. You just call it that, right? Import library like pandas. So matplot. That means you will get, right? So, and as well as for trinket. So next like that trinket, like live Python code, it will be going to be run and used for that integrate and compile, do lot of process. Okay, to make a building and effective evaluation as well as data agent. And first thing, the step is Python notebook showing how to construct the data agent from the scratch. Excuse me. So data agent from the scratch and integrating API to extend agent capabilities with real world data, performance evaluation techniques, and as well as improve measurement improveness. That is important. Next, enabling experiment and a rapid prototype, especially Replicit, that AI tool, right? I need a program of this. Within instance, they will generate the coding, complete coding. After that, you can go for the rapid prototype. And next, accelerate the learning application development through hands-on demos. I'm trying to give for the hands-on demos. I will try to finish up within time. Otherwise, I will forward it into groups. Please be try and run step by step, like paragraph by paragraph. The data agent program. I will share it. Okay? You just try it in your own. We almost there in final thing. Step by step agent construction workflow. First thing is define objective task. Example, I want to make a healthcare, any kind of disease based. So sample any one of the place, please be try to give some insight. So what is the much more conversational AI based disease? Fever. Initially fever, right? So after that we can go for that any virus fever or like a dengue, malaria or something like that, right? So it's like agent goals. I'm asking, I want to focus only for one disease, one thing, sir. You can define it. Select AI model and tools, appropriate technologies. You can meet the objective mean, you can finish it up. Next, to make a data pipeline for that integrations and flow. Example, these data pipelines, if you pick for fever mean, first symptom analysis. User symptom analysis. And next, age group. I'm asking what are the inputs you have to give, like user. So age group. So age group based, you have to make a classify. Okay, this set of people like adults, child, and olders. So citizen and senior like this. Okay, you just make a classify. We can go for that necessary system implementation. So main thing, if go for the one particular like hospital mean, you have to collect the all the data. You just take a photography. You just feed it to AI. Please be make a model whether you get clear understanding of the future enhancement. So after each user, you have to validate whether the disease will be cured or not. That feedback is always must. Okay, that feedback is always must. Next, you can go for that. Yes, this guy will be getting cured like within the maximum 2 days or 3 days. It may be depends upon your input of tablets, right? Suppose your people are getting for disease only for sir, I'm taken only for my doctor will be suggest only for paracetamol, like what I'm saying, like a Calpara, Dolo 650, like this. This is universal. If you go for any kind of fever, mean all the people are fixed. Dolo 650, paracetamol. Otherwise, you can go for that. This is universal fixation for maximum, right? Otherwise, if you go for the searching for any one of the hospital, mean also that is the same scenario cases. They are fixed, like okay, this. This is a good what antibiotic or something. Yeah, I can give, no problem. I will be trying to go for that. So you need to keep exact unique analysis always must, because this is most sensible data. Most sensible data. You have to make it clear. And I'm just given that it's like a cure bot, and myself, one of the team is going to be making, already made one of the AI tool. So how is going to be used for that? Still now the process going on that. Let it be finished. Mean we will try to give that initial process. And next, the fourth one, implement the workflow logic protocol, develop an agent, internal logic and communication methods. First, please we keep everything in commercialize, because you are not well versed that much of, as per the research point of view, I'm asking. You are not well versed, and what the society will be give the impact, whether it's a positive side also is there, negative side also there. So please we try to keep update. We can go further. Okay. So that flow and logic, even sir, I'm using this software. That's the reason this will be came. Nook and corner which version you are used. Everything you can keep record and give some testable tools. So testable tools is going to be useful for the validate your insights, like your API or your AI tool. Next, we can deploy and give them real-time scenario cases. And before that, what I'm asking mean, first pre-launching. Before launching, make some people given some pre-launching. Use this tool, please we give some insights. Why they are done means, they will keep analyzing which initial stage, what are the problem, like complexity is going to be common. They will calculate. They will take. Okay, first given instant remedy, instant insights. Okay, problem solving is going to be make it clear and good decision making, everything will be done. And next go for that 50 people, 500 people. Increase the capacity. Like this is the scenario cases of testing process, and feedback and deployment will be going. Okay. Empowering faculty student with data agents. Yeah, universal ChatGPT. Your people are always focused, right? Even that students are habituated for the ChatGPT is like universal. And next Cloud, next black box AI. Next we can go for that some of the rare case people only for Gemini AI, and plenty will be there. What I'm trying to ask means, each convenient based, like each people convenient based tool selection, as well as try to make a different model and like different employer purpose. If I'm going to be working only for that stock markets, I have to focus on, okay, today whether my Sensex will be points increase or decrease. I'm focusing like that only, right? Increase means okay, fine. Decrease means I have to identify the key. Why I am going to be decrease? So tell me that. I want to do some analysis. Then only next investment, stock investment is going to be happen. Make a effective one. Here, the faculty students data agents also same like this. The research data processing to save the time and reduce the error. I want to make a clarity about that. If your people are going to make a learning any one of the programming, try to give some what are the errors will be going to be occur. Okay. In simple, not only I'm not going to be make for much more, because compare than all other error analysis is going to be used. Yeah, this error came in, I have to focus on this. Initially, you just go along with this manner, mean you will get much more effective system. This is my perspective. I'm given that. Okay. Next, the create intelligent tutoring system for personalized learning experience. This is as per the faculty point of view, student point of view is different. So faculty is always focusing on how to give like understanding level of student notes, and student is always focusing on within the time period I have to finish that. So give me short and sweet, like that scenario cases. And develop the innovative AI driven project to push the academic boundaries. Is already maximum your workshop and seminar is going to be happen with the use of AI only for image making and representation, visual, as well as runtime tool, program execution and development, like this. And next, the streamline complex data analysis to enhance the academic productivity. I want to make a clarity about that. If your people are going to be given for CSI people, maximum is software related things. So what about the other branches, like I want to make a EC or other things? That people simulation and integration, simulation, emulation, everything will be there. Okay, I'm asking like academic streamline oriented, so different, and agriculture also it has some. Okay, so please be go for that GEOA, like especially for that making remote system analysis in entire globe. Which one is like farmer area, which one is that? So what it happens? Okay, so streamline based, we have to do some analysis, we can give and incorporate the data agent to our own hands-on AI skills to make a curriculum development. The maximum cases, I want to make a clarity about that. Nowadays going for prompt engineering. Okay, so prompt engineering. In prompt engineering, if you go for deep, like context engineering, I'm asking context engineering. So that context engineering is going to make a vital role. So they will do some much more clarity analysis of the chatting. Maximum the chatting people, which word is going to be frequently used. That's a deep dive analysis. Okay, they will do that. After that is considered for symbolization. So first initially your people are considered for hi, hello. Hi, H-A-I, hi or H-I, hi. Otherwise your people are considered for enter the group mean like sir, good morning, like this. Right? So symbolization, yes, all of you good morning, fine. So after that next, I'm going for restaurant. Yeah, the symbolization is going to be used. And these are the cases. I'm asking real-time case study analysis. Next, foster the interdisciplinary collaboration, preparing participant for industry challenges. Everything become like collaborative and interdisciplinary only. So one department, like one stream is going to be dependent for other is going to be dependent for another, right? So this is going to be used for that in step by step level up process and integrated for that A. I think 2 more slides are there. As much as I can finish, and after that, I just want to pick up that any one of the real-time case study. I already done that. I have given some insights. So finally, we can go for that hands-on session for that one. And here, the transforming workforce with the data agents, education. So intelligent tutoring system delivering adaptive learning paths. And this is classified of that professor, assistant professor, academic, lecturer, content generation, image generation, visual intelligence, like this. So these kind of categories will be there. And first initially you have to do some which data you want. The data agent is always focused on which data you want, like a text. So text means like only for one or multi means so is like a tree based. So not only one is always going up in different paths. So those data analysis as well as automation will be used for that, making first initial is like a pre-processing. After that your insights, your valuable insights, do some reality analytics. I need to take this decision, yes, it will be give. I want to make a clarity about that. Previously your people are like you want to like I want to write up PPT or I want to make a paper in this title mean they will give first. These are is already done, but the context is like a role based analysis. Okay, the agent, data agent is going for next level, like role based. I am a professor. I need this. They will go. Okay, next, I am a data scientist. I need to take like this mean, they will give. So system that AI is going to be thinking, okay, you have to think like a data scientist. You have to think like a doctor. You have to think like that. So that real-time role-based analytics given for better decision support system. It's like intelligence, trigger of intelligence. Okay, after that is making automation. After that, making automation. Yeah, we almost reach last 2 slides. I will be finished of that. And this entire thing I want to cover up only for final thing, please. Mastering data agent for scalable AI. Build the autonomous, adaptive, and efficient AI workflows. Okay, first to understanding the agent design, I am asking that in mall, virtual try-ons, that is also you can like one of the agent. In hospital, it's like a disease prediction, get some insights. That is also thing. In I am asking the same chatbot will be appear in passenger. Okay, this bus will be crossed, sir. Upcoming this bus will become. Yeah, that is like a public. That is also one of the agent design, right? And we can go for that multi-agent system to enable collaborative workflows. After that, you just do some individual analysis in different people and feedback collection. Next, we have to do some collaboration. Okay, so each person intelligent we can keep. And after that, collaborative intelligence with the different people, like different devices. And the server system is make it much more effective. Much more effective. And final thing, apply the robust evaluation metrics like GPA to assess the agent performance. Always you just give your own performance for all the things for making, design, development and testing, evaluation like parameters and maintenance also. So if you just keep everything mean, then only the next generation, how you are going to be give and better than that API it will become. And continuously optimize the agent to improve the scalability and efficiency is always is there. I'm asking your best example is your OS, your mobile OS. So not only stop, okay, today I'm getting update, so I don't want to get the update for further. Right? The system will be think like that. No. So Android will be initially come for something. Now almost 15. Android 15 almost reached, right? The same previously, if you taken for Windows means Windows XP, like Windows 98, I am already used that. I know that. So I'm aware of something. And Windows 7. Next, Windows 10. Now we are in Windows 11. That much of improvements and efficiency, everything is going to be keep updated, all the features, right? So final, they equip the developers to skill to build a solution to meet diversity of that real world needs. Everything comes under for the better solution is always comes under for to solve any one of the societal problem in different angle aspects for making user friendly ecosystem not affected by environment. Not affected by environment. We always, best thing always. Why I am asking means, so why iPhone is that much of cost to me? Did you people are get some awareness? Because that is like a sustainable development. Compare than all other device I am using to make a iPhone means I'm not yet given that much of CO2 emission or blah 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 like making noise to environment only for limited. That is the purpose. Till now is going to be standing there making their own brand, right? So environment support is like a primary criteria. After that, we can go for that building solution and real world needs. This is the final thing. We almost reached the end of the slide. I want to make a clarity about that future scope and academic of industrial outlook. Maximum, I am given that teaching, learning process, and as well as some kind of industry, right? So it may be useful for that. And after that, please be try to engage yourself, try to yourself, and any of the AI and advanced AI and smart AI make these are the steps is like a future. So deeper integration with the emerging AI technologies, reinforcement learning, explainable AI, and multimodal data processing. So multimodal data processing in the sense I want to make only for take a text. Sir, I can add a text in typing, next word, next PPT. Like only for only one thing, I'm going to be take a multimodal only for text means what I have to do in different format will be your keep. Okay, I can post at a time 10 or 5. Okay, so text based, I'm just done, sir, like this. So not in all the aspect, you have to do some give better solution. And we can try to make a novel architecture for that improvement of data agents. And depends upon your plan, like your which AI tool you are going to be used. If you are considered for academic, one set will be there. Industry mean another set will be there, and marketing. So business mean another set will be there. But maximum criteria for my observation is like business is always given first priority. So for marketing and business, people are going to be used for that. Then only after that, I'm saying like academic part will become. Okay. And industry adoption expanding rapidly in healthcare, finance, and IoT sectors. Healthcare already discussed, and finance already given that real-time use cases of that stock market exchange and blah blah blah. So IoT sector is comes under for that smart, tiny robots and cobots. Okay, it's like ambient AI. So that's one of the thing will be there. We can it may be chance may mean another session. And final, preparing these trends ensure the sustained relevance and condition innovation in AI development. For data agent AI development, trends is make a sustained next generation people is going to be used for that. Advanced level thinking process and everything. Almost done. Now you can ask your queries in chat window, please. Any doubts from the audience? Any doubts? From the audience? So thank you, Dr. Sivabalan sir. So very informative, real scenario cases. Thank you, Dr. Archana madam. Dr. Manjari Patwari ma'am, thank you. I want to make some kind of insights from I'm expecting you. So, so last 15 minutes. So maximum I wind up. Like a real-time scenario cases, I'm going to be given your own insights. Only for last 15 minutes. That's it. Completely. So thank you, Radhika ma'am and Pavitra ma'am. Anybody else? So like first, I have to give the opportunity for unmute. Yeah, your participant, you are allowed to unmute yourself and you are eligible to take a question session. I'm ready to. So thank you, Madam Geeta Tangavel, Madam. Thank you. So definitely, sir. So finally, in the PPT, everything is come to your reach too for all the, not only myself and all the PPT and session people definitely will get it, no doubt. Apart from anything else, for the clarification purpose, please. Yes, sir, definitely, ma'am. So definitely you will get PPT. No, sure. I'm given sure. Okay, ma'am. So final discussion. Only for 15 minutes I will be take. I'm not going that much. I will share the programs. Please be try to engage yourself. So first I am given that sample program of that visual intelligence, like visualization. So all the people are get some aware of that visual, but visual intelligence I am asking. I am posted in group. Try to run that coding. It's like probably 50 pages. Okay, probably 50 pages. So try to run and get some insights. Okay. So final thing I will be share the last thing, last discussion. My screen is visible, right? So real-time case study analysis. First thing I'm going to be get. Yeah, thank you, madam. So that madam name is like, yes. Yeah, so Soma Segar Talari madam, thank you, ma'am, for that given inputs. Yeah. Yes. So my screen is get visible, right? Please be give some insights. I will go for next. Yes. This is my one of the research. For I'm just happy to share with that. It's like a personalized speech identification for the blind people accessibility. Okay, for blind people, how is going to be given that with use of that vision impaired people is going to be make a training. Sir, please we go like this road, like this road. Okay, so self assistance. So self assistance is like a phantoms people. This is my one of the research I want to share. Happy to share with that. And here the vision impaired individuals through speech recognitions. First, enhance the independence and including bridge accessibility gap over the past, because the maximum vision people not yet get that much of clear to walk for we have to do and much more think, right? My main ideology is going to be given that healthcare. So AI tool is going to be adapted for completely fixed on like it may be like IoT related. This is like IoT related. It's going to be fixed at first is like that. You just ask, you just keep update your it may be like a glass. What you are just wearing that any one of the cooling glass or something, right? So I'm just keep weird means at the time the start process will be started. So it's going to be where yes, camera will be captured and depends upon the distance in give some continuous frequent assistance to you via speech recognition. Because why I am just given that speech recognition in the sense to better only that corresponding guy will be speaking or not. That purpose only. For security purpose. You may think like this. Okay. And after that, the environment adaptability. Okay, sir, you are going like path, like lane, like road, like highway. like two-way. Next, NH47, blah, 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 something, right? So that environmental adaptability I'm just given for those people. So next, so promote the societal inclusion for communication, independence, communication, navigation, and information access. Without you need to go for other people. Okay, so without you need to go for other people. And address the urgent accessibility. I want to make a clarity about that. Address the urgent accessibility need affecting overall that real world scenario cases. You should keep analysis and better response. So maximum your people are went for any emergency for in hospital system means somebody is maybe, yeah, sir, yes, sir, I can understand your thing. So please become. Otherwise, everything, some kind of places, maybe lethargicness, right? You are maybe like educated people mean definitely you will get much more instant reaction. You are uneducated, like working scenario people means it's like I'm not going like your response is maybe getting delay. So what is that guy is going to be getting like accident, like emergency is going to be definitely those people are not yet told. Okay, so that purpose only I'm just making this kind of things. Okay, so fine, the reduce the barriers and foster equal opportunities in education, employment, and daily living. Okay, so in your home, everything become like IoT, everything become like AI. So collection of AI, I want to make up that in mathematical terms like a matrix AI chatbot with your own personalized, making much more effective, intelligent, smart, and ultra level experts. Okay. And final, the drive innovation in assistive technology through research such as speech identification and system for personalized vision impairment. Today, I think especially for here past 2 days or 2 days back only this is going to be done. And research still now is going on there. This is all the people are get clear, right? The evaluation of speech identification in technology is like a based traditional approach timeline. In 1990s, the rule-based model first initially given. Okay, you may think like that it's like NLP. You know, everybody does know that NLP, right? Yeah, exactly like this. So role-based and comes under for AI and deep learning. And next, personalized speech model. I want to ask that each member, I have some own frequency in my voice, right? Your people also have some own frequency. Depends upon the situation and it maybe get some different, right? So 2020 is like a personalized speech model identification is going to be used, and voice essence identification like user. Main thing is used for that your customer. At the time you will not get that much of customer certification in like your ISP provider. Like any one of the people using mean it may be used, right? It's a better vision. Yes. So next, the vision impairment accessibility advance is like integration of that AI with your context aware for all the thing, enhancement of assistive features, for that users. Okay, and this research is going to be used like next level up. The main thing, please be think like that. The generation based education only is going to be much more come. But what about other industry? Like healthcare industry? Everything will be going growth, right? So those industry where it will be. And banking sector where it will be. The old existing system is going to be keep down. Timely everything will be come up, right? So what is your roles and responsibilities? This is I am asking is going to be make a triggering. So the core technical necessary, my own personalized speech recognition systems like acoustic modeling to capture the speech sound patterns and improve the recognition across different environments and language modeling to incorporate the contextual adaptation to understand for the machine and predict the next who is going to be come up. Whether you are just making call means whether the machine created call or like user call or like all other people. Okay, this is I'm using for that speech recognition only. If you for smart home mean definitely in your system in front of that one camera will be there. So that camera system is going to be capture overall the people coming. Okay, I have to store again this day and next day. You have to make a analytics of entire month. How many people is going to be appear in your home? You have to do some own analytics. After that, okay, in my home this much of people are came. Is a good exposure. So what are the next month? What are the next 6 months? What are the next year? The next level will be like this only, right? So like a surveillance system of your home. It may be for mall also same thing, like object detection. How the people is going to be happen in one particular mall is like a deviation. Okay, this guy is going to be continuously taken copy. Okay, why? What happened? So individual object detection. Okay, here I am just asking language modeling, only speech recognition. And the final thing is like a signal processing. So signal processing, for that every people note that. So natural is going to be given that. Please be try to give the AI noise reduction. Everything will become use some filtering techniques for advanced quality improvements. Okay, and next data annotation. Here the annotation is much more important for high quality, especially for that multi-accents. Here I am asking for speech related that. So multi-accents and dialects and speech impairment for boost the model as well as for that efficient robustness for uniqueness to show up the uniqueness. Here the step-by-step process of personalized speech identification system to get audio input capture process, next pre-processing, next feature extraction, next model inference, output generation, system delivers personalized context aware response as well as support from the user feedbacks. Everything is always focused like this only. For what are the text data or like speech data or image data or audio video, maximum that user need and as well as feedback is compulsory for making general intelligence and super intelligence. Okay, so that is compulsory. And here I want to make a clarity about this. This is all the people are get some aware, right? So understanding the architecture and the components like design patterns and a personalized speech identification system and evaluate the technical challenges of unique to application for vision impairment. Here the problem is like only for the phantom people I'm given that. So next identification of the different domains where the speech recognition enhance the accessibility. So nobody can what I'm saying like hacked. Okay, because much more these healthcare related everything became like a sensitive data set. So you have to keep update as well as analyze and next generation people is used for that. Okay, and the final thing is like explore the future research direction include AI innovation as well as user centered design. Why I just want to make like a user centered design mean first each environment based different set of people as well as different set of impairment and they will give some own solution. Definitely all the people have some own real world solution, right? So here people are urban related mean okay you have to go everything will like smooth, but in village the environmental village is another different, right? Some forest, yeah, that is another. So how can I go like environment related the user centered design you should be keep aware, that is much more important. Okay, so the maximum here I am going to use it for that natural knowledge computing. Okay, so natural knowledge computing and triggerness. This is my one of major research, and I'm picking one of the part, like one of the chapter like this. Okay. I want to make clear about that. Personalized speech identification drives for that independent decision making as well as control full access for that device. Okay, so program is going to make much more useful. And next, to make an ecosystem. So speech identification ecosystem for that personalized. These are the hardware software integration platform and necessities. First thing, if you choose one for hardware means, so high sensitivity microphone is compulsory because your voice, it may be, if you go for like highway means, compare than your voice, other voice will be, you get lot of noises, right, from the environment. Your situation, like where you are going to be standing, that is important. Next, the wearable sensors, like your body area sensor, lot of device will be there. Like if you want to go for normal walking and the next level of jogging or something or swimming, so how much of your heartbeat, and next in your body area sensor network already given like this, right? So now I'm going to be wearable sensor. It may be like only for glass or something. Okay, so glass is much more suitable for. Why I am just asking means like all other this is needed. Okay, for vision capture like this for your decision and direction based. You want to move up like that is necessary. Okay, so noise cancelling and hardware. So here the noise cancellation and hardware is much more useful. BSP, you can analyze the environment factor for all, but give priority for that my voice. Okay, and portable audio processors and software is comes under for that cloud-based speech engines and on-device AI model, open source API for that. So Mozilla Deep Speech. This is like the real time. Right now is going to be take over for that improvements. Okay, if you want to type in your text, is also you're eligible to do that, like a logo button or K. Some shortcut will be there, means it automatically is going to be give, no need to type. You can give continuous voice, it will be update. Right? Is already there. So please be not there means you just keep try our. And next is like a proprietary SDK is like a personalized only for that company based, like that company Google and Apple, only for those user, and after that making next enhancements. Okay, so these like a software layer. So next integration, smartphones, smartwatches, assistive devices and home automation systems completely integrated. If I'm going to be going for online highway means in my highway, I'm eligible to connect with my home people. Okay, please be go and get some awareness. Okay, you are keep going, go. And after that, any kind of any emergency cases. Okay, I'm going to make a connect with that other people. I'm asking like other people for emergency cases purpose. You have to find out the any one of the nearest resources. Okay, you will get some emergency like ambulance connection or any one of the nearest hospital connection, like chatbot is going to be thinking like that. Sir, now you are going to be affected like this. I'm going to be trying to rectify. This is the problem. Okay. Yes. Overcoming core barriers in speech recognitions for accessibility. Ambient noise interface is used for the reducing recognition accuracy. So wide assign speech pattern diversity as well as complicating model generalization and limited training data set from vision and impaired users. So not that much of user vision impaired user not there, but we have to collect the entire data for all different people, all the category you can collect. Next we can go for further, right? And next privacy concerns all over the voice data collection and processing and ensuring real-time responsiveness, that is important. Compare the all real-time responsiveness. AI will be given without judgment, without thing. Real-time responsive is compulsory. One of the major, like foundation. So our approach like overcome the accessibility of challenge in speech recognition. And these are the things. First one like adaptive noise cancellation, to give the dynamic algorithm optimizing audio clarity for variable environments and adjust the signal processing parameters in real time to reduce the ambient noise interference. And second one is comes under for transfer learning. Utilize the pre-trained model to get much more effective, right? So those pre-trained model will be used for that get good adaptations with much more data sets. And the training on specialized speech data to improve the recognition accuracy as well as the what are the niche and nook and corner use case studies. That is important. And privacy preserving AI on device processing, minimize the data transmission for protecting user confidential, because I'm already told that healthcare is always much more sensitive data. Not only this, if you just keep and say like your heart prediction, everything. Okay, this guy I'm given like this means, okay, unwantedly, like your people are going to be pushing something. That is also like whether you are going to be find out the positive side and negative side. You have to make a calculate both. So unwantedly, you just keep like your body is going to be react like this. That is important, right? So this is important. And next, so multilingual supports. And everybody should know that, right? So multilingual support for that, if I'm taking like personalized mean different accents and different people like male, female, your system. So system automatically AI sound making like this. Get it? So up to yes. So key performance indication demonstration. I'm used to that accuracy rate. So my thing is going to be reached this much. Okay, so completely reached. Some kind of problem is like the mismatching of that frequency. You just think like that. What are the errors we are going to be facing means whatever your voice, the same voice another person is going to be speak. So did you analyze is that like fusions? So voice over fusion is going to be like this. Some kind of places we are faced that. And next is like latency. So real time interaction and critical for that usability. Okay, much more. Compare the latency, this is much more good previously. And user said we completely certify, yes sir, good sir, fine sir. Okay sir, we can go for next level up sir. So the certification maximum thing we are reached. For my research purpose, so what I am done means, please be keep update. It's like a home automation through voice control lighting and appliances security to enable independent living. Like your AC, sir, I want to get better sleep. So please be switch on the AC and this much of temperature, please be keep maintained. After that, I will come for 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. You get continuous good sleep, right? So no need to go for that manual. Everything is like home automation. Okay, complete with use of AI, it's completely adaptable. Next, navigation aids. And this will be used for the navigation because at the time you just wearing glasses, sir, please be keep distance. So within 5 meter, like any one of the vehicle will be come. Okay, please be keep ready. Any kind of obstacle also. So suddenly it may be another guy, unwanted guy is going to be cross over your route, right? It may be happen, definitely it may be happen. So this is also one of the main primary criteria consideration. Next, educational tools for interactive speech driven platform for facilitating and accessible learning experience. Whenever you are using, try to give now onward, don't use text like your own type. Give speech. You have to go for next level, right? That is compulsory and important. And workspace accessibility, voice operated computer and communication aid improving productivity, right? Is already there. So voice operator of your AC, voice operator of your device, your mobile, voice operator of your gate, voice operator of that your kitchen, voice operator of your industry, voice operator of your pen, smart pen, voice operator of your that chatbots, completely, right? It's going to be wake up. And next, the healthcare support, speech-based medication reminders and telehealth communication assistance. So this is like the final end task. So I am going to be keep my ground. I am choosing my problem ground is like healthcare, right? So I need some support from those people. Okay, so this is the thing. and accelerating personalized speech ID adoption in vision impairment up to till now. These are the necessary things for that. AI advancement enhancing system intelligence, improving contextual understanding as well as personalized responses, and technology democratization. Here why I want to mention is the maximum thing still now not yet your people are not yet aware of that open source. What are the open source and necessary things will be there. So please be get some awareness. After that you have to enlarge and enrich and enlighten yourself. Okay. Next, cross-platform interoperability. The seamless user experience across multiple devices and environments and different people. This is like adoption rate. Still now we are there. So not yet grow up because maximum speech not yet enabled. Now only startup. It may be comes under for furthermore like big data. So collection of big data is like a mass data. So mass data has become like a ultra level mass data is going to be given better performance, right? So these are variations. Still now I'm just asking that normal speech recognition and identification. Now I'm going for that advanced speech identification and accessibility. First, user-centric design. So which people you are going to be used? Okay, whether the, like I'm going to be asking that environmental study. Okay, that guy is going to be make a continuous walk with like a floor only for that highway. If you take like that scenario cases, urban and rural. Okay, whether the village. So daily day-to-day life real scenario cases. Priority you have to give that. Okay. Next you can make a multi-model inputs. You can go for voice, touch and blah 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 and expand your system usability and further developments. And implement the continuous learning systems along with that adoption and improvement accuracy and through effective user feedback. That is compulsory is might be used right for next level ups and fostering interdisciplinary collaborations with the acceleration of that innovation and practical deployment. With use of current generation, we have lot of features. Please be tried to utilize. Advanced research and collaboration action plan like this, interdisciplinary initiative, innovation of personalized speech recognition, and actively diverse. Okay, so active, diverse, like different, that is compulsory. Diverse, vision based, like speech based is much more important. Then only you can get much more robustness, like a uniqueness. So that speech identification you have to include it and use the trials involving vision impaired participant to validate the real world effectiveness. Okay, real world effectiveness. And after that, partnerships across academia, industry, and advocacy of group people is make a technology adoption with that real world environment scenario cases. Okay. And final, the drive innovation with adoption for that collaborative efforts. I'm already told that nowadays everything will be not like unique, everything will be like collaborative. Okay, so collaborative research like interdisciplinary and intradisciplinary research always focus. Please be keep update. Okay, fine. So still now I want to make so this is the part I almost completed. Now I am just needed for your queries. So Sam, thank you so much. Okay, ma'am. That thank you, Jodi, madam. And anything else related to that my session? So first one, the agent base completely covered. So here that agent base, especially for my research, is going to be used. Okay, so thank you, madam. Afreen, ma'am, thank you. Okay, so Mayuri, ma'am, thank you. Anybody else? Okay. So thank you, Mr. Arvind, Anand sir, and Santosh, sir, Pavitra ma'am, Dr. Jitendra Gujars. Thank you. So I already told that right now here at the Dasara festival, everything going on, sir. So no one have some kind of operative one session. So everything will be keep postponed because this is like all the people are using. This is necessary. I'm the only guy like without any other support like faculty people are like at Dasara festival. I can understand, right? So Dasara festival going on there. So I need not posing like that. Everyone, some family members will be there. Okay. I'm the only person. So you will get all the materials and recordings will be Zoom. Okay. For any kind of doubt mean you can ask me. For today related. So thank you, Archana Devi ma'am, for your very informative session. Thank you. So thank you, Amrita madam, Sneha madam. Thank you. So let it be finished. Wind up. Tomorrow we will come. Okay, feedback link will become sir. Yes, sir. It will. So thank you for all the participants.